Amber Johnson. She's the owner of The Salad Maker, and when our cameras were at Forest Brook, that's exactly what she was doing, making a salad bar for teachers and staff for Teacher Appreciation Week. In fact, she says she's been doing it for a long time now.
Last year, one of the teachers that actually worked here last year, her name was Miss Kim, she challenged me. She was like, hey, I need a salad bar. And I was like, Miss Kim? I was like, you need a salad bar? And she was just like, yeah, like salada. I was like, okay. And here we are.
And when that happened years ago, your child was still a student here, correct? Because you were saying your child's not a student here anymore.
Well, I think my daughter left here 2 years ago.
Okay.
But Miss Kim actually called me here last year because I used to serve them just a single lunch plate. And she challenged me to this, and this is just where we've been ever since.
So I was going to ask, what's kept you here? What keeps you giving back like this?
These teachers work hard throughout the year. So it's like, okay, I know your mind be wondering and it be racing. So let me just put a good little food in your belly, kind of have you refreshed for the end of the day. So it's a task.
Yeah,
it's a task on both ends. And I'm just like, I tell myself every time, like, Amber, you got this. And I still say, oh, I hope they enjoy it. And I get text messages, inboxes, phone calls.
Yeah.
Hey, can we have you back? And I'm like, yeah, just call me.